back to Riviera. Alright, what's the DVC? So, might be a weird video. I don't know what I can record. Over here, Riviera with the DVC. Oh, so it's a French fry.
Yeah. Wonderful. All right. I'll get you all checked in. Zappa, okay, and Downey. Downey. Okay, wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you. Into this cafe and see, is it just coffee? It looks like it's just coffee. Coffee and hot tea. They have, oh, they do have a little. That is interesting. They do have some snacks. They do have some French snacks in there. I thought that was cool. I forgot it was a French thing.
Lots of videos. Very beautiful. So, start one bedroom villa, guys. Sleeps 5. More than twice the size of the studio, which the studio is our version of a hotel.
Yes. Okay.
All right. So as you come through, you've got a full kitchen, fully equipped with everything you need. Full-size dining. This room, as I said, will sleep 5, just like the studio, but in this room we just give you that extra living space. Okay. Sure. You've got a twin Murphy bed right here. Comes down, so you've got room for one there. Okay. Then if you move this out of the way, you actually have a queen size Murphy bed behind the wall.
Oh my God, look at that.
Wow.
So in the daytime gives you a lot of space, right? And then
What's your name?
and you've got your bed. Right? So it is a queen size deluxe mattress, so again, a lot more comfortable. We used to have sleeper sofas, we've now gone to this system.
That's really
Just to make it more comfortable.
Yeah.
And we've got all of our rooms are going to have balconies or porches, guys. So some outdoor space, which is something I love, right?
Okay, yeah.
Wake up, have your coffee in the morning.
Right.
Maybe have a nightcap at night. So lots of space.
That is,
right,
really.
Robert? Yeah. So if you're coming here for a week. But my favorite part, you get a bedroom with an actual privacy door, so you can actually have your own space.
Oh, look, there's a hot tub right there. There's a guy enjoying a hot tub at 9 a.m.
Studios, they all have queen size beds.
All right.
In the one bedrooms, we get a split bathroom. So you've got a giant headed soaking tub. Vanity this side. This is actually a lock-off pocket door that can
Oh,
shut.
all right. All right.
Separate entry on the other side, so guests can come in and use the toilet. Also have a walk-in.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So everybody can be getting ready.
Yeah, that's amazing.
So where do you guys stay in this trip?
We are at the Swan.
Oh, okay. Nice hotel.
Yeah.
So, washers and dryers in all our one bedrooms and larger. Studios do not have the washer and dryer, but our members get free access to all of our laundry facilities.
Okay.
So if you did want to do some laundry, you can
Right.
do that.
Okay.
Got a big giant storage closet for you in the front.
Okay.
You got more than enough space for
Right.
all your stuff.
Okay.
All right, now we'll go check out our safe. The master suite is a nice big storage closet in the front here. What I love with this studio, we incorporated that split bathroom like we have in one bedroom. So you've got an actual walk-in rain shower this side,
Okay.
lock-off door, second shower and
What did you
bathtub
call
on
this
that
one
side.
again?
This is a deluxe studio.
Deluxe studio.
Yeah, so this, our version of a hotel room, Jennifer.
Okay.
They're typically about 1 1/4 to about 1.5 times the size of a hotel room, which gives you a little bit of extra space. Studios
so
all
this is
come
the
with
summer
kitchenettes.
version for
So
like-
microwave, mini fridge, toaster, coffee maker, great for cost savings.
Yeah.
The dining plan, don't want to eat out 3 times a day.
Sure.
Keep some leftovers, do some breakfast in the morning,
Yeah.
toast, right, cereal, something like that.
Yeah.
And our queen size beds are all going to be raised for extra storage, guys.
Oh,
So all
nice.
your luggage can go under there like a cruise ship
Right.
bed.
Oh.
This room,
I like it. Yeah.
that's great, isn't it?
Yeah,
What a-
that's-
what a simple idea, but
Exactly.
it makes a huge difference.
Yes.
So this one sleeps 5 too. So
Okay.
you've got the twin Murphy bed this side.
Oh wow.
So that's one bed, and then again another queen size Murphy bed behind the wall.
That is something.
So you sleep 5 and even our smaller size rooms. Now you can combine the 2 rooms like we've just seen. It's called a 2-bedroom walk-off.
Okay.
If you do that, you've got a room that sleeps 10 people, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
that's cool.
Exactly.
Is this Hollywood Studios over here?
That does head to Hollywood Studios. So what you're looking at over
What's
there,
the
though, is
pink-
Caribbean Beach.
Caribbean
That's
Beach.
Caribbean
Okay,
Beach.
okay.
But the gondolas are heading off to Hollywood Studios.
Okay.
So our resorts guys typically have multiple swimming pools.
Mm-hmm.
Usually have a quiet pool. So this is our quiet pool here
Oh.
at
I was
Riviera.
say, look, there's people already in the hot tub and
That's fun. Yeah.
This one is a little.
it's
so-
too cold to swim, so
It
they're in the
is.
hot tub.
Yeah, without a doubt, I would not be in that pool. That's
No.
for
So
sure.
then the lighthouse over there, what's that over there?
That is the Caribbean Beach dining area. So
Oh,
that's the
okay,
nice thing
okay.
about this resort. We have 4 restaurants on property.
Yeah.
But you're also just a quick walk around the lagoon
Yeah.
to all of the Caribbean Beach
I like that.
restaurants.
That's neat.
Huge, huge.
That's why we like staying at the or not. What's the one? Port Orleans,
Riverside?
Yeah.
the Riverside to like walk all that area.
Yeah, it's fantastic, right? So actually have a 1.5 mile walking track, guys. We're
Oh,
running
that's really
track
nice.
all the way around
Wow.
through Caribbean Beach, comes around back to Riviera.
That's
It's a beautiful walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just this is really a beautiful resort. We've really upgraded everything here. The main pool is off to the left. That's more kid friendly,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
Water slides, kid splash play area,
Okay.
all that kind of stuff. And then from here, you can actually see up here, if you look up there, is our rooftop restaurant.
Oh yeah.
Topolino's Terrace.
All right.
So in the mornings, it's character dining with Mickey and Minnie and Donald and Daisy. Probably the best character dining on property. The food's fantastic. Then nighttime, it turns into a fine dining restaurant.
Oh yeah.
So you can watch Epcot and Hollywood Studios fireworks.
Okay.
So it's just a beautiful place to go. Have a huge outdoor terrace with seating, also an outdoor bar up there. So you can go up there.
Oh my God, that boy's getting in the water. He is. Are these pools heated?
They are heated.
Okay.
Yeah,
I'm like,
but
that
for
kid
today,
is
I don't know if they're that hot. I would just be staying in that little one.
That's he's very brave.
We have a lot of Canadians right now.
That might make sense.
Yeah.
I think
So who all's here? Is it just the 2 of you?
Yeah,
guys?
just
Or any
us.
kids?
No,
Just the 2?
just us.
Bars outside.
Alright, so they have
So
artwork
tower
everywhere.
studios obviously are all in
Sure.
this tower.
Yeah.
3 on every floor.
Okay.
24 of them.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we'll have a look in a second.
Okay, sure, sure.
The other thing I love about this resort, I'll show you guys as we go out, a lot of Disney back in this resort. Mickey's everywhere.
I know, I was surprised. I've already seen a
Beds,
couple
carpet,
things.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Nice.
So I love that, yeah.
Like, did you notice when he pulled down the trundle bed, like the backdrop was all
I did. Yeah, that's neat. I like that.
So where do you guys usually stay?
Anywhere you can get a dill.
Well, yeah,
We
okay.
stay. We like our favorite is Port Orleans.
Beach
No,
club.
beach.
Beach club. Yeah.
Beach club, but that's
Okay.
pretty, you know, it's pretty
expensive.
expensive. So only
Yeah.
when we can find a dill. So if we can't find a dill at the beach club, we stay at Port
Whatever
Orleans.
things, yeah. it's
We've
great.
done
It's
the
great.
what's the wilderness one called?
Wilderness Lodge.
Wilderness Lodge. It's okay. And then back in the day, we'd stay at Pop Century. I think we've done Art of Animation once. Contemporary ones. I really like contemporary. He didn't.
Okay.
I liked it.
Contemporary's not my style either, Robert.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm more of a Polynesian. If I had to pick
Yeah,
between, I'd
me
do
too.
Polynesian or Grand
Definitely.
Floridian.
Yeah, exactly.
So we go back and forth between the beach club and
Okay.
Port Orleans Riverside.
Okay. So not cheap hotels either. You don't
No.
end the deal, especially beach club.
He's good at finding a deal, but yeah, it's always like around the 200 mark.
How much do you guys, or how long do you typically stay in the beach? Just for
We'll
12
only
years?
do
All right.
7
Getting
days of
away
it's
is
a
not
cruise.
easy.
It's hard.
Yeah.
People always think, oh, you work for yourself,
Right.
right? You take
Yeah.
off whenever you want.
Exactly.
No,
No.
not quite.
Exactly. I wish it was
This
that easy.
is so interesting.
Isn't this awesome?
Oh,
This is-
wow.
Tower
So,
Studio,
it's a very
guys. So,
strong
what I love
room.
about this room, it gives you all of the comforts and the amenities of that deluxe studio we looked at. So behind you, Robert,
Yeah.
we've got cups, plates,
Oh, okay.
toaster, all that stuff,
Right.
microwave, mini fridge down here.
Okay.
Got your Keurig on the other side. So again,
Wow.
cost savings.
Right.
You don't have to eat out 3 times a day. Do
Exactly.
breakfast in room, something like that.
Yeah.
All of them have little balconies.
Okay.
This one, as I said, you can see the Epcot fireworks. As you go
Oh, nice.
around the tower, you can actually get to where you see the Epcot and Hollywood
Oh, that's
Studios
really neat.
fireworks.
Okay.
And then I was just shocked by the bath.
Yeah,
It's
oh my
huge
God, it
for
is
a room
huge.
this size. Giant
Wow.
walk-in shower.
Wow.
Nice big closet
Very nice.
again, so all your luggage can go in there. You can unpack and make it home.
Right.
Your 3-4 night stays, right?
Yeah, exactly. That's neat.
Especially if you're not going to be in the room much.
Yeah, that's the thing. We're not.
Then of course, we give you the Murphy bed again. That's how we give you the space. So you'll see even with it down, you still have plenty of space in there.
Right.
Now this one, because we know it is your only bed,
Yeah.
giving you that same deluxe mattress that
Okay.
goes on our queen size bed in the deluxe studio. So same comforts,
Wow.
everything.
Okay.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
It is.
And as I said, tonight, 11 points, guys. That's
Okay.
all this room's gonna
All right.
cost you. Right. So
Okay.
really, really good value. So when are you guys typically coming? All throughout the year, or do you kind of try to hit the slow times?
Alright, we're just leaving the Riviera. This is the Skyliner entrance. I'm just gonna walk over and look at these murals real quick, and then we're gonna hop on the Skyliner and go to Hollywood Studios. We're actually not gonna be at Hollywood Studios that long because it's 50 degrees. That's pretty cool. It is. I have a winter coat. So I am loving the Riviera Hotel. So they were saying the Riviera Hotel is inspired by Walt Disney